having as good a day as I am, because man, it is beautiful out here. It's the first stint of warm spring weather and it's absolutely gorgeous. Now today we're looking at the 4090 chipper, specifically the Loncin engine option. This is a new engine option that has some different features over the regular Honda GXV 390. We're at my neighbor Gert's place and we got a nice pile of branches here. Most of it's white pine from a tree that fell down in an ice storm this spring, but a bunch of it's smaller trimmings from his ornamental tree farm that we're gonna chip up right into this trailer behind us, and it should make for some really good chipping. Now, this Loncin engine has a couple features the Honda doesn't have, and the most obvious thing is the external fuel tank that we mounted here on the engine guard. The Honda has quite a small fuel capacity, but the Loncin does not come with a fuel tank, so we've mounted an external fuel tank on top of the engine here, which has about 4 times the capacity as the Honda at right around 9 liters of fuel. Now beyond that, the Loncin is a 432cc motor where the Honda is 390cc, so this has a little bit more horsepower at 13 horsepower over the Honda GX at around 10.2 horsepower. But the torque is identical, 24.2 Newton meters for both motors, and that's really what's spinning this heavy rotor down here. Now, as far as the throttle goes, the Honda has a pull choke. So you're gonna pull the choke, select your RPM range, and you're gonna start the motor. Loncin being a little bit different, where you're going to fully push the throttle all the way into the choke range, which is also the high RPM range. And it's very typical to most mowers you see, where you push the throttle all the way into the choke zone, and that's where you're going to start the engine on this unit here. So once the engine starts, you're going to go ahead and pull it back to a middle range RPM so the motor can spool up along with the rotor, and from there you can index to full throttle. So when it comes to overall maintenance, the two motors are going to be identical. You have your air filter here on both motors, you have your throttle in this general position, the oil capacity is identical on both motors too, and your recoil is in the exact same spot. So, you know, really what you're getting with this engine package is a little more fuel capacity, the initial savings when you purchase the machine as well. And, you know, we've tested these motors quite a bit and they work very well. But that's enough about that engine. Let's get it fired up and let's get chipping some wood here. Give her a little bit of throttle. Now you can hear that rotor picked up RPM. Let's summer to full throttle. Let's start chipping. You can see our dump trailer is pretty full, so I'm going to go ahead, move this puppy over a little bit, and we're going to finish up here and we'll be out of here. Something like this. I got her. So that's about an hour of chipping. We got a nice dump trailer, a good chunk full of chips here. And you know, this is pine again. Pine chips fairly easy. This can be used for flower beds or anything like that. You know, this is what the 4090 is designed for. This kind of stuff where two guys can just keep dumping it in. It likes that real brushy stuff and it feeds nice and easy. And so when it comes to the Loncin engine option or any of the other options we have, you know, you can go to split-fire.com and go through the build and price, click all the options. Keep in mind that this engine is available both in the heavy duty and the regular clutch options for these chippers too. If you got more questions, give us a call. And if you're interested, watch more videos on YouTube. We got a bunch of different videos on this machine specifically, and YouTube's a great resource. So either way, have a great day. If you appreciate this video, give it a thumbs up and leave us a comment. We always love a subscribe too, so thank you very much. And if anybody has a good way of getting pine sap off your hands, let me know. I mean, 91 octane, I got it off, but if you guys have any tips or tricks, leave them in the comments down below. I'll appreciate it.